Now I'm going to create a class named database helper, and that is database database helper. I've already write a code. I just copy and paste it. Don't worry, I just upload that file, that package on internet, so you can download it from there. I just add that. So there is the database connection. I just rename it the database that I made here. Just F2 and copy and paste here. For those who don't know from where they can drive connection string, and just go to tools, connect to database, and SQL Server. So and just continue, and from the drop down select your instance name. The instance name is defined, and if you don't know what is your instance name, go to that one, go to SQL and just press that button, and here is the server name. That is, or you can just copy and paste there, right? And then just select the database, that is, and after that just press test connection, OK, and here from the left panel, that is Server Explorer, here it is. Just click on it, go to properties, and here is the connection string. Just Control A, copy and paste it here, and you are done with the connection string. So moving onwards, I just create a method for 3 operations, that is insert, update and delete. From here I'm catching a parameter of query and sending it to the SQL command. Query connection will be con will be the connection of the SQL server, which occupy the connection string of our SQL server to the Windows form. And after that I'm opening the connection so I can insert the data into the SQL server. And what is command? CM execute non-command, non-query. It's just commit the transaction what we have just inserted in the SQL server. By running, by creating that object and sending these parameters, it places the data in the SQL server, and then just we open the connection and commit the data, and it's return us an integer value that is a 0 or 1 or greater than 1. It's return 1 when we execute one row, just like I've just previously execute that row and it returned me the 3 rows affected. Same case here. If I executed a row, execute a query which occupy 3 different type of different values, it will show me it will return me 3, and I will check if it is greater than 0, then this close and return true. So I can understand that the data is populated perfectly. So, and else if not, it will show me an error message and then just return me false. So, and so now I make a method that's named search command, SQL command. It occupy my query and my connection. After that I create an object of SQL data adapter which accept the data which I have just selected from data and store it in my SQL data adapter. After that I just create a data table object which I have already defined here, and now I'm just filling that data table so I can directly access my data from array. Data table is populated on 2D array. I will show you when I'm using it. So, and just return, and if it's not take data, or if the SQL server's tables data is empty, it will return me the null. It will be better I just return it new data so it don't probably crash my application. So now I have to make a store procedure. So you will get to know how to make a store procedure. Create procedure. I can write a complete application, complete procedure, or I can write PROC, procedure short form. It works for both. Procedure and name it customer order insert procedure. So and I'm defining the parameter what I need to execute that. I just need the date into time, and it's not null, and I need total amount at the rate total TOT amount. It's money and it's also not null. So as insert, oh, I just forgot two more things. That is at the rate COS ID integer and also not null. And so insert into customer order. I have to insert CO date, comma CO, comma total amount. Here it is. Values. And the value is at the rate date, comma at the rate total amount. And I just forgot customer ID. That's the ID. And I have to return the inserted value as well. Select customer order. Select from, sorry, my mistake, from customer order where, and I need a CO where C date is equals to at the rate date and CO total amount is equals to TOT amount. Oh, and equals to at the rate TOT and CID is equals to at the rate customer ID. So it will return with the ID what I just send it. So I just add it because I have to mention it while I'm adding this. I have to mention that ID, which is customer order details. Customer order details. Okay. Now I'm going to make my second procedure. That would be for my customer order details. And see now what I need product name, that will be jar 50 not null, and description it could be null, so I'll just leave it as it is. So the compiler will already understand that it is not null. And at the rate quantity, it is numeric and it's 18.3 and it's not null. And then at the rate amount, it's none. So it's not null. As insert, first of all I need to in the rate, I have to define it. Oh, I can't define it here. The rate PID as integer. So now the rate PID is equals to select instead from product where name is equals to product name. So I'll just change it to PID. I've just defined it here with semicolon. Oh, here's just my mistake. I just declare as integer. So, and I have to just define set PID. So that is select now we are done with it. Insert into description, sorry, customer order details, that will be COD, COID. Oh, I just forgot to add COID there. So I just do alter table customer order detail, add COID integer not null, and there will customer order COID. Now if I'm not wrong, this will be the, so I'm just select it and execute it. So now refresh and here it is. So it's CO comma PID comma COD quantity and COD total amount, COD description, and we are done. Values, and the values are at the rate COID. I just forgot to define COID. Integer not null. Now here it is, COID, comma at the rate PID, comma at the rate CO quantity. the total amount, and we are done with the description. So now we are done with the store procedures. Let's check it out. We are now, so let me just use product name here. Okay, we can't even, okay, just no, doesn't make any sense. I just used it here, so why already not there, but there is no such. Okay, yeah, I'm not using it in conditions, so it is giving me error. So just use it without the message. Now here is our store procedures. Now moving towards the coding part. Just forward 2 more store procedures. 2 more to go because create store procedure, named it as product data, and that does not need anything. Just select p name from products, just and at the end go create procedure, customer data as select customers, and just name, and then go just execute it. Okay, so now I'm going to load part, and I'm going to create my middleware class that I name it controller. So now a public data table. So to make it generalized, I'm just returning its string array. Customer data. Load customer data, and just I'm creating a database helper db public controller controller. There it is. I'm just making a constructor, and in that constructor I'm just creating an object. Now I'm creating data table. Now here it is data table dt equals to db dot search, and I need a query here. So the string query, that is, so execute short form is execute customer data. So all it requires, I'm just query. So now I need to defining the column. Column number. So array I equals to dt dot rows. In rows is going to be changed and the column name will be the same. So I just take it as a parameter and here it is dot to string, and in the end just return it. Okay, now I'm returning it. Convert data table to string array and dt, 0, column number will be 0, and just done with it. Now I'm going to copy and paste that same for my product. Load product data. And now just to change it to product. So okay, now make some code. So controller punishment C1 equals to 0. Okay, now here it is. Now what I require is string array, and I have to make a void set values to ComboBox from string array. So I need ComboBox combo, just name it ComboBox name and just string array to be populated. Just name it now. ComboBox name items dot clear. So I'm going to clear the previous data so I can add new data to it. So dot length. So now I'm defining it the length. Afterwards just wrapping it. So ComboBox main dot items dot add, and that is DataGridView. So it's done, and the array is equals to db con dot load customer data, and I'm just set values to CUS name. Custom product. Product name. Oh, okay. I have to make one more method because it's DataGridView ComboBox. DataGridView ComboBox, so it can be work for it as well. Okay. String column. Okay, now it's done. So just test it. Is it working or not? Here's the name and here is 2. Okay, now all we have to just to insert the data, and we have to create some more event, and just behind that select. So I need to make one more stored procedure so I can get the customer ID from there. Customer. I think I'm making just I think a customer name. So scene and just declare and CID as integer. So select CID is equals to CID from customer where CName is equals to CName. Okay. So okay, CUS. So now I'm going to alter it because I already created it. I have to alter that. Just execute it. Okay, date time I can't make it not because I'm not using it as in. Execute it. Invalid object name. Okay, I just didn't create it. Just write it. Just write go after that so you can. Okay, now we are done. So we didn't need that ID. We'll just save button. Now the major part will come. So how I'm going to, I need a for loop so I can customer order detail grid, here it is, dot rows .com, so I can run that, and I'm writing -1 because when I'm writing anything, the DataGridView will automatically add one row which is empty. So if the empty row will be going to that call, that for loop, it will give us a big error that can crash our application. So I just remove that error by adding -1 to my total count. So now I need some variables so I can make it work. My work would be easy. I just forgot one more thing. It will be very. I have to add a price here. Price. So just edit the column and just give it 150. So okay. So the price will become off when I just. So I have to create an event. As I change the name of my product, the price will be changed. So I have to create an event for DataGridView. So when I'm changing my data, so it will be one column data change. Column. Okay, just I'm creating an event of cell double click. I can retrieve it from here. So I need what I need a string product name. That is how I'm going to build customer order detail grid dot rows and the current row e dot raw index cell, that is dot cells dot cells, and here we have to add the value dot to string. So here we are writing the name while we are defining the data grid view. The name of the product name is the product name. So now I just I need to create one more. The name will be retrieve product price. So I need the product name and watch that is 50. Select price where the name is equals to product name. So I just execute it. Now coming towards our coding, I'll just create public string load product price string. I need price product name, sorry. So string query is equals to, that is execute, and I'm just taking the name of that is equals to, and I have to give the parameter to it, and the parameter is product name. And now the part is done. I'll just take it from here and just place it here. And if dt.rows dot count is greater than 0, I will return it dt dot rows 0 and 0 dot to string, because it displays in my 0 0 equation, and else return 0, because if the price is not written there, I just return it 0. So now I'm calling it in my coding. So here is the price. So the price is equals to con dot load product price, and there is a pro name. So now I have to assign it the value to again, and that is price. If I'm not allowed to check it, is it correct or not? Yes, it's not correct. I have to change the name of that as price var yeah. So now here it is. So now let's check it out. Is it working or not? Just click it. Here it is. So now only the add part will be remaining. So I do this just by pressing save, and I'm just creating string query, and that is now I have to create that query in my controller. So here it is public void insert COS customer order. For that what I need date string date date time, okay, and I need total amount. It's double, I'm using string, so because I don't need to perform any calculation on it, so I just execute, and the name of the customer order detail procedure, we'll have to pass first date, that is date. Now second thing would I have to send total amount, and in the end COS name. And I just follow code to string. So here it is. Now I have to db dot insert, and you just send it here. And all I need is just to call it here con dot insert customer order, and I have to date, and that is customer order date, and the customer order total amount. To send it label, and the COS name dot text, and here it is, okay, string dot text. Oh my god, I just forgot. And here it is, date time, so date dot value dot date. Okay, now here it is. And one more method required, that is public void insert customer order details, and for that I need name, description, price, name, product name. First of all I need product name. Just product name, okay. And second thing what I need is description, that is also in string. See, and after that what I need is quality, string quantity QTY, and the last but not least total amount, string TOT amount. And what I need, I have to create the string QD, and here it is execute equals to customer order insert. Okay, my god, I just placed right here it is, and I have to send product name first. Product name. After that I have to send the description. TBSC description, and after that I have to send that is quantity. Quantity is numeric value, and I have to send without the single quotes. After that I have to send total amount, and here it is. Total amount is also integer, representing money. So, and last, that is COID. I just forgot one more thing, because I have to return the customer ID here. Integer. Oh, string, I just write string here. So, data dt is equals to, so returning dt dot row 0 dot to string. So then it's returning a string value, string id is equals to, and after that because csrd.text equals to id. Here it is. And lastly, I need to send CSID, and it is also in integer, so to send it to that. And now what I have to do is to just db dot insert and the query. Done. Now I have to call it after the save button. And con dot to send the product name. Okay, I need to provide a for loop here so I can insert all the values. Detail grid dot rows dot com -1. So what I need to do is just to, first of all I need to make it, that is quantity double qty comma price comma total amount. Okay, no, to just total amount of it. So now qty is equals to customer order detail grid dot rows e dot, sorry, it's I dot cell, that is qty. I think I have to just reconfirm it. That is with capital Q dot value dot goes to, and I need to convert it to the double as well, so I can assign it to double dot parse, and within the bracket I have to. So what I need to just price, and lastly I need to total amount and So okay, now I have to assign it total amount is equals to multiply by price, and after that we have to assign it customer order detail create dot rows dot cell here dot value is equals to total amount dot to string. So and I need to just rename it amount, and I need a dot amount as well, and I assign it to 0 is equals to plus equals to amount. Okay. Now after that I have to total amount customer dot text equals to total amount dot string. So just check it out, is it working or not? I'll just select okay, that is so retrive description 50 10. Oh okay, yes, it's calculating. So now I have to put that same what I need string product name comma quantity comma dot comma description. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Now pro name quantity, so it will be QT1. After that it's total amount QT1, and it will be total amount and description var that is COS ID. I'll just make ID. Okay. So now let's check it out. Is it working or not? we are done from the coding part. I just select Ali and our date will be the same. I'll just so quantity will be 50. Just while quantity is total amount and just save. We are converting data to varchar element. Okay, here's the error. Line 61. Okay, line 61. Okay, I just return. Line 61 controller. Okay. Okay, maybe I'll just not change. Okay, here's little mistake. This time I have to alter it. So here it is. Let's check it again. Maybe this time it will work. Mm. 10 kg and just while as well it will be 5 kg. So just the reference object is now from 33. Okay, let's check it out. Here it will be well 31. 33, sorry, 33. Okay, it's empty. I have to fill it, otherwise it will be so one is 20 and here okay double. I'll just write an event on double click and it's saying that the ComboBox is empty, so just wait for it. Here it is, just 55. Okay, buddy. Cannot insert the value null into PID. Okay. Customer details column does not allow null insert here. Customer detail. Okay, I just not send it the PID. Okay. Let's check it out. It's not PID. Here it is the PID. Let me check it out. It must be working now. Maybe let's check it out. Is it empty or it is it's data populated? The data is populated in that, but in that case there is no such data populated here. So just I have to again just test it. No, I'm testing it with just okay, buddy. I can understand your error. 10 insert into the column PID. Select PID. Okay, let's check it out. Is it working properly or not? I'm just running. And the product name will be rice. It is true. So why it is giving me error? As integer. Select PID. PID to PID, quantity, total amount, description. So it's giving me an error. The error is cannot insert the value null into column PID table. Column does not exist. Customer order detail. Column does not exist. Okay. Customer order detail. The ID. CODID. Okay. Here is a mistake. No. I have done it right. But why? Giving me an error. I'll just debug it and just debug. Okay, buddy, okay. It's horrible. Now here it is. I'll just go to F11. Here it is. Now let's check it out. What the main error it is coming. 5. Yes. I'm sending it. Just a minute. just made a mistake. Oh, holy shit. Now it will be working properly. And I just bought rice. That rice 5 kg, and I bought oil. That is 20 kg. Not total amount. And I'll just press save, and it's saved. Finally, here it is. And the order ID will be 2005 and 2005. Let's check it out. And it is 2005. Two, and there it is. So it's done from my side. If you have any query, you can ask me on my page, that is programming courses, and I'll add the link while I'm uploading this video, and I'm going to upload it on YouTube as well. So thank you guys. If you have any query, you can ask me on my mail. My mail is just write it here so you guys can. That is Syed. So thank you guys.